Okay, so now let's talk about number 2. So it says f of x equals -4 parentheses x plus 8 squared. And remember at the top it says when given h comma k vertex, h is our hypocrite. All right, so think about what a hypocrite means. It means they're kind of like a liar. They're not doing what they say they would do. So remember, if my vertex is h comma k, and this 8 is in the h spot, I don't have anything out here in k, so I'm going to do just like what I did before. I know that k is going to be 0. H is our hypocrite, meaning it's going to do the opposite of what it looks like. So like over here, when I had a -2, my vertex was +2. So right here, my vertex is going to start with a -8 because it's positive and h is a hypocrite. So I have -8 comma 0. Okay, then I can do my axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry starts with x equals, and it's the x value of your vertex, which is -8. And then because there's a negative sign out front, that means that this is going to open down. So let's go ahead and sketch a graph of number 2. So I'm going to kind of draw a graph. I know I have to have my vertex at -8, 0. So we're just going to put a point at about where we think -8, 0 would be. I know it has to open down. So we're going to draw our parabola opening down. Remember, down like a frown. All right, and now we're going to try this out in Desmos to just check our answers, make sure we're right, and make sure our graph looks similar. All right, so I'm going to type in that problem, f of x equals -4 parentheses x plus 8 squared. All right, here's our graph. Okay, it does look very similar to the one that I graphed on my paper. The vertex we had was -8 comma 0. And when I type that into Desmos, it gives me a point at my vertex. My axis of symmetry we said was x equals -8, right? Notice this red line goes straight down the middle, and it obviously opens down.